Mike, a lot of folks are considering the 2018 Honda Civic. They've done it again. What do you think makes the Honda Civic so enormously popular and successful?
I really think what makes it so successful and popular is that they've done it so well for so long, and they really have just made small but really impressive improvements to the vehicle for 2018. Starting with the Civic LX, the vehicle is actually a bit longer than it's been in the past, so it's a little bit bigger, it's a little bit more comfortable of a ride. This year it comes with standard in an LX model with Bluetooth, backup camera, a lot of safety features, ABS brakes, electronic brake distribution, really helping in these wintertime conditions outside. And then all the way up to the touring model has also changed and increased a lot more creature comforts than we're used to seeing.
And even in the base LX, you can get up to 40 miles per gallon for under 20 grand.
Yeah, it's amazing. You know, starting with the 6-speed manual transmission and even going into the CVT transmission, you still average 40 miles a gallon, which is fantastic for these days.
Let's start with the base LX. Take us up the trim levels.
Sure, so starting with the base LX, Honda really does give you a lot of bang for your buck. You get Bluetooth, you get backup camera, you get LED daytime running lights. And then moving up to the EX, this is where it gets a little bit different. Honda offers two different engine sizes in the EX. They offer the 2-liter 4-cylinder engine, and they also offer the 1.5-liter turbo. The differences are with the 2-liter LX, you still get alloy wheels, sunroof, Apple CarPlay, an upgraded stereo system, which is great, and Honda Lane Watch, along with smart key entry, which is all fantastic. It's still at a very reasonable price point.
Right.
Shifting to the 1.5-liter turbo, you get the better turbo engine, which gives you more power with the same fuel efficiency. It also offers you heated seats and remote start, which is still a fantastic value at the 1.5-liter turbo price.
And that's just going up one step to the EX.
Exactly. There's a few more models to go up yet. When you go to the EXL, you're adding leather seats and XM radio. Then we move on to the touring model, which is the top of the line for the Honda Civic. And this is still at a price point of under $28,000. You're really getting all the creature comforts you'd expect in a full-size sedan and a compact sedan. You're getting navigation system, you're getting rear heated seats, you're getting rain sensing windshield wipers, you're getting some chrome accents along the vehicle as well, which just makes the car pop, and you can tell that it's a higher, more luxury model than what the normal Civic comes with.
Right. And I noticed just looking at the front grills, they're very, very similar, but the headlights are different from the base to the touring.
For sure, yeah. When you talk about the LX headlights, you notice that there are LED daytime running lights, which are great so that people oncoming know that you're still, operating a vehicle. When you look at the touring model, you get not only LED daytime running lights, but you also get LED low and high beams, which are fantastic for visibility up here in the Northeast.
Yeah. And I see when you get the touring, you get the fog lights.
You also get LED fog lights. Again, a great feature to have up here in the Northeast with all the weather we get.
Mike, there's so much terrific safety technology, but if somebody wants just the LX, but wants that safety suite, are they kind of forced to go up in trim level to get it?
No, and they actually don't have to, John. What's great is that Honda's offered the ability to add the Honda Sensing package, which gives you adaptive cruise control, collision mitigation system. That's what stops you from hitting a vehicle in front of you if you were to be distracted. It also gives you lane keeping assist as well as road departure mitigation if some medical emergency were to occur. And that all can be added to any model, starting at the LX individually. You can add it to the EX, the EXL, and it comes standard here with the touring package.
Mike, we're looking at two Civic sedans, the base and the touring. But the story of the Civic doesn't end here, does it?
No, it doesn't. Honda still offers its traditional Honda Civic Coupe, which is the two-door version, a little more sporty for those people that maybe don't have kids or that are older and just enjoy driving a coupe. That's still available. Honda also introduced the Honda Civic hatchback for 2017 and have continued that in 2018. And basically what the hatchback version is, it's the same 4-door Civic we're used to seeing here, but the back end of it's bumped out and it's got quite a bit more cargo space. And they've also made it a little bit more sporty so that it's got more of a stance out there on the road. Yeah. They also continue to offer the Honda Civic Performance hatchback, which is the Type R version. So that is the 305 horsepower Honda Civic that's made just a ton of waves out there. In continuing, they also still offer the Honda Civic Si in both the 2- and 4-door versions as well.
It's funny that Honda would just look at a car like this that many people would think is great A to B transportation and sport it up the way they have.
Yeah, I think it's really great. They offer all these different ways of buying a Civic, whether you want the base model, you don't care too much about features, you want the great gas mileage, or whether or not you want the rocket ship that is the Civic Type
Yeah.
R. Either way, Civic fits your budget, it fits your trim level specifications. It's really a great car no matter which direction you're coming
Yeah.
from.
And customers can get them all right here at Saccucci.
Absolutely, yeah. We've got a bunch of Civics here in stock, from the 2-doors to the 4-doors to the hatchbacks. Please come down and see us here at Saccucci Honda on West Main Road in Middletown.